Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to do a crochet update. Now, if you guys have not checked out my latest crochet video, make sure you check that out. I will link that down below and somewhere right above. But just to recap for you guys, this is the Freetress Beach Curl hair. I did do a crochet about 3 weeks ago. It's like one day shy of 3 weeks, so I'll say 3 weeks ago. And this is the update. So if you guys want to see what this hair kind of looked like when I first installed it, then I'll try to put something right beside me, but if not, just refer back to that install video. But this curl was very beautiful. Now, this hair came in a bulk type of form, so it was very easily installed because it was kind of already separated in the small sections that you need to insert the hair. So that was definitely a great thing about the hair. It was definitely easy to install. Now, I did use 5 packs. I did use 5 full packs. I used every single piece of hair that came in the packs, so this is a full install. This hair has held on pretty well for the most part. If you are looking at these curls, you can see that they are still here. They have not went anywhere, y'all. Like, the curl pattern is holding on pretty tight, okay? I have not been putting this hair in a ponytail and, you know, or twisting it so the curl pattern can stay, and putting in a pineapple so you can make sure you manage the curl pattern. I have not done any of that, okay? I just laid down and went to sleep. Sometimes it was in a ponytail because I wore a ponytail that day. Sometimes it was just all over my head, but for the most part, I just threw it up and laid on a pillow, and that was pretty much it. So I did not put a bonnet on. I did not try to manage this hair well. I just let it be, and pretty good, you guys, I can say that. So I will say that when you install the hair, of course it's in those small little sections that you install it in, but over time the small sections do combine to make like big curls. So like, I never installed something that was this big. It was all like little pieces like this, but over time they just kind of combine into chunks. So like, it just combines into chunks. So that's why I didn't thin my hair out. I just kind of left it as big as it was because I knew that it would get smaller over time. It would combine into these big chunks and appear to be smaller. So me knowing that, that's why I didn't do that. But as you can see, like, it's still really full. Even though I did not thin it out at all, it's really full. Even though it combined into these big old chunks, it's still really full. Like, this is all the hair to the front, so you can see it's really full, you guys. Like, it's really nice. It looks really good. Like, the curl pattern looks really good. Now, I will say, you guys, this is not as soft as it used to be, y'all. This is some rough hair. This is definitely synthetic. It is definitely kink, okay? Because it is not soft anymore. Like, you touched it, well, I'll say in certain parts. It's weird. I think this side is softer than this side. Might be a little strange, but that's how I feel though. So yes, I would definitely say the softness gone. It tangles. I haven't really had much shedding, I can say that, but it tangles. Like, you guys, the nape is a mess, okay? Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all see that? Yeah, we can just rip that. Ow, hurt my nail. All of that's tangled. That's like, and then this strings, like, it definitely tangles in the nape. Oh, I don't even want to mess with that. That's it's a little rough right there, y'all. So tangling, did I get tangling? Yes, I did get tangling. I kind of get some knots, lots of stringage like this, you know. It's just stringy, like it's just not uniform anymore. So I'm not surprised because it's synthetic hair, you know. But I will say, if you're looking for a style that will hold its curl and give you a pretty decent wear, a 2 to 4 week wear, because I really think I could wear this another week, then yeah, I would definitely get this hair. If you really like this curl pattern, then yeah, it's definitely a go for me. I'm going to go ahead and take this hair down just because I'm ready to change my hair, but I could definitely get some more use out of this hair. So would I recommend this hair? Definitely yes, I would recommend this hair. I love the curl pattern. It's holding up pretty decent, even though there's tangling. I kind of experienced tangling with all of my crochet hair. Some have been better than others, but I pretty much experienced tangling with a lot of the crochet hair that I have tried. If you guys have not checked out some of my other crochet videos or some of my other makeup tutorials, then make sure you guys check that out. I did just do a makeup look on this look you guys see now, so if you guys are interested, make sure you check that out. And girl, don't forget to subscribe. Are you subscribed yet? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can know when I upload, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, girl, so we can connect and stay involved in each other's lives. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.